In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer a domain from one GoDaddy account to another. Whether you're transferring ownership, moving domains between business accounts, or simply organizing your websites better, this process is quick and easy to follow. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the official GoDaddy website. Once the home page loads, click the Sign In button located near the top right corner of the screen. Now log in to the GoDaddy account that currently owns the domain you want to transfer. After signing in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From here, locate the My Products section. This is where all your domains, hosting plans, and website services are listed. Next, scroll down until you find the domain you want to transfer. Once you locate it, click the Manage button next to the domain name. You'll now enter the domain management area where you can control DNS settings, ownership details, and transfer options. Inside the domain settings page, look for an option called Ownership Transfer Domain or Move to Another GoDaddy Account depending on your current dashboard layout. Click on this option to begin the account transfer process. GoDaddy may ask you to verify your identity before continuing. Once verified, you'll be asked to enter the recipient's information. Now type in the email address associated with the other GoDaddy account that will receive the domain. Make sure the email address is entered correctly because this is where the transfer approval request will be sent. In some cases, you may also need to enter the recipient's customer number if available. This helps speed up the transfer process inside the GoDaddy system. After entering the details, click Continue or Send Transfer Request. GoDaddy will now send a confirmation email to the recipient. The person receiving the domain must open the email and accept the transfer request before the process can be completed. Once the transfer is approved, the domain will move from your GoDaddy account into the recipient's GoDaddy account. This process is usually much faster than transferring domains between different registrars. And that's it. You've successfully transferred a domain from one GoDaddy account to another. Thanks for watching and goodbye.